honestly, 35 and a half years have passed, and I've never once thought about making house-made marshmallows from scratch until my recent visit to my parents' bed and breakfast. In this blog post, I shared their amazing recipe for homemade marshmallows. My recipe for hot chocolate, as the cooler temperatures have set into the north, and a hot cup of cocoa with fresh made marshmallows is divine. I also feature my parents' bed and breakfast for an amazing, private, secluded retreat to nature, as their bed and breakfast sits on 11 acres in the Welsh Hills of Granville, Ohio. If you're in search of a getaway or a staycation with privacy, alone time, and the fresh air of the forest, look no further. Make your way on over to the blog to read more, to listen to my spoken word, to watch my videos within the post. Whether you're actually within my blog or reading about my blog, the link to the bed and breakfast is there for your viewing pleasure. May you have a wonderful fall, blessed with delicious, tasty, warm beverages and hot fires and cuddle time. Au revoir.